Best piece of advice before arriving in September.
Watch YouTube videos. They do help, they really do. That's what I did, and it really did help. It gives you an insight of what it's like if it's your first time come to university, because it's a brand new environment. It's something you'll never experience anywhere else. Get ahead of the game so you know what's going on.
Make sure you are mentally prepared for it. Strive to get good grades, but at the same time, make sure you have a good social life.
Do a little bit of research about the societies you want to join beforehand.
There's all different kinds of interests for all different kinds of people, from arts to sciences to humanities, and it's a really nice way to help you ease into the process and feel included in the community at Nottingham.
Make sure that you've got everything that you need before you arrive, to make sure that you've got your bedding and bits and bobs, because you probably wouldn't want to be sorting out any last minute like packing bits, like when you get to Nottingham and like, oh, I forgot this.
I forgot to pack enough winter outfit. I had a lot of summer outfit and it wasn't fit for the weather.
I forgot my big jacket. It's cold in Nottingham and it's raining, and I forgot my jacket. So like the first month I had a jean jacket, I was wearing that for the first month until I went back and then came back again with a big jacket. I was all warm and cozy and stuff.
Find other people on your course on social media. There's often groups made on Facebook and or in the student room, and you can find other people and you have then someone, a friendly face you know.
Stay hyped up, I guess. Like, the hype is what helps it to make it like a good first few weeks.
I'm so excited to see you around campus.
See you in September.
Bye.